Find the unique values in a column and then sort them. I have a pandas data frame. I want to print the unique values of one of its columns in ascending order. This is how I am doing it. The problem is that I am getting a none for the output.
Sorted iterable. Return a new sorted list from the items in iterable code. Output. Sort sorts in place so returns nothing. So you have to call printer again after the call to sort. E.g.
You can also use the drop underscore duplicates instead of unique.
Fastest code for large data frames.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.